Hello folks. Welcome back to blasting.email. Today I'm going to show you how to insert new subscribers. Right here, you can use form opt-in to gather your new customer or subscribers inside your list. And here when you have existing customers with Excel separated files that you want to import, or when you want to export your list into Excel file. Right here in Subscribers menu, you can see your existing customers or you can manually add your customers. Click Create a new customer. Fill customer or subscriber's name and also active email. And change the status to confirmed. Hit Save to make changes. Your first customer is created inside this list. Now you have your first customer. That's enough for today. See you in the next video.